Turn it up. It's Anisha L TV. Cruising down the highway, miles to go. Camera on deck, let the flavors flow. From dinners to drive-through snacks to review. She's serving up the real, no fake news. It's Anisha L TV.
Well, hello. Today I am trying something new. CAVA. Stay tuned. Alright, I have 2 bowls from CAVA. I have the Greek salad with grilled chicken. I also have the salmon and strawberry sesame salad. So the Greek salad with grilled chicken, $11.35, and the salmon and strawberry sesame, $15.60. And I also have a cucumber and mint drink. That one is $3.45 for a combined total of $30.40. Being that I had never had CAVA before, I figured I'd just get 2 bowls and try them both. Alright, so I got the Greek here. On it is grilled chicken, tzatziki, hummus, feta, tomato, onion, cucumber, olives, romaine, and arugula with Greek vinaigrette. My mouth is salivating right now. Give you a nice little visual. Say my grace. Ashe. Ashe means that it is so, and it is so. I can smell the grilled chicken, smell good. And the Greek dressing is the prominent senses that I'm gathering. Where's my manners? Eat. Take a big bite. This has a nice flavor to it. Like I ain't even came up for air, have I? It's good. I am not mad at this. Yeah. This is for sure, for me, a 9.5. It's giving all the feels. Like my insides are happy. I can sit here and eat this whole bowl right now. My goodness. We'll move on to the next bowl. All right, up next is the salmon and strawberry sesame bowl. On here we have glazed salmon, tzatziki, red peppers, hummus, cucumber, feta, tomato, onion, some mixed slaw, brown rice, but instead of the brown rice, I got the white one, the white rice, spinach, strawberry sesame dressing. That is what's on this here salad here. Clean fork, ready to dive in. Don't it look pretty? Stomach, I don't even know if that's how you say that word. Stomach slaw. Yeah, I don't know. Eat. This is different. Salmon is tasty. This is gonna be a big bite right here. That bite was very refreshing. It's giving summer for sure. All right, so I think I'll give this salad an 8.5. It's very tasty. It's very refreshing. I just would prefer the Greek salad over this one because I prefer savory flavors, but I would definitely get this again for sure. You can see the mint at the bottom. It's got that sound I like, the ice. Shake it, shake it. This feels like one of those recyclable straws. Let's see. Yep, this is a nice refreshing drink. It tastes just like cucumber and mint. At first sip, the cucumber is more prevalent, but as it rests upon your tongue, the mint takes over. It is not super sweet. It's very mild on the sugar, but it's refreshing. I give this an 8. Cucumber mint. Give it an 8. All right, this concludes my review on CAVA. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Check out a video that may pop on my right, your left, my left, your right. Until the next time we meet, remember to take life one bite at a time. Later.